Hey, folks. Happy New Year. Hope y'all had a Merry Christmas. Uh, I've been off for a couple months. Been off to myself. I did spend the holidays with my little nomadic sister, Lainey will travel, and her fiance and her kids. Um, Trying to get my stuff, thoughts together, and what's going on in my life. And now 2025's here. So a lot of reflecting, and so because I've been sitting for 2 months, I hadn't been getting any content for y'all. So, but I'm humbled by the support y'all gave me in 2024, and I'm thankful for all the donations that y'all gave me in 2024. Things have been different. I'm not on the move like I was in the minivan, so I am sitting longer, and finding places is big enough for Gracie to get into. So I just kind of, like I said, kind of regenerating, rethinking things. Spend some time with Cotton. I guess around fall. You know. In Mississippi, and after I left, after the hurricane, devastating hurricane in western North Carolina, it just messed up over there still. This is January, and they're still finding people that have been missing, and it just breaks my heart, to see it. But life continues on, and people help support one another over there, and things are coming together. Hopefully, by the time I go back over in the spring, I'll be heading to my favorite camp, Harmon's Den, and hopefully the interstate's open one and get back over there to it and get off and get in, check it out. But last I heard, the bridges were washed out even there going into Harmon's Den. So, but I just want to let y'all know, I'm grateful, and my prayers and thoughts go out to each and every one of y'all that corresponded with me and checked on me, and I appreciate y'all. And so 2025 is going to be another adventure. I'll be heading west here from Texas, and going to Arizona for the month of January, and possibly February a little bit, and then I'll start heading back east to where I do my normal thing over there in the Florida Panhandle in southeast Alabama. That's the plans as of now. But, Nomad's plans are written in jello, so they got some wiggle room and some jiggles, so it's subject to change. But I am grateful, and Nebo's doing good. We spent the holidays pretty much to ourselves, other than, for, family gatherings at Laney's. I got to have Thanksgiving and Christmas at her place, and, hanging out with her with her kids was pretty cool, and her fiance, and so and I'm grateful for everything that to be alive. I guess the most I give thanks for a new day, and that's all we can really deal with today, because there's no promise of tomorrow. We know that. At least people my age know that. But I'm going to do my best to get y'all along with my travels, and it's going to be a little bit different. And once I get settled, now that I have other equipment that I'll be using, hope to be interfacing it into the videos too. So just get ready, hold on to your seats, and grab your cup of coffee, and for the next video to come along. So for now, I'll say I appreciate y'all once again. Shout out to Cotton Brother. I appreciate everything you did for me in 2024. helping Gracie, getting all the fine tuning things up when I got back over there in Mississippi. And shout out to Laney Will Travels. Sis, appreciate you with all my heart. Love you like a real sister. And I look forward to making new acquaintances and friends this year in 2025. So may y'all have a happy and prosperous new year. And the good Lord be with y'all. Safe travels. For now, y'all stay safe. Keep smiling. Stay healthy. Treat one another like you want to be treated yourself. We'll catch y'all on the other side.